Welcome to Simple and Best, and it's finally Human Rights Day with lot of disturbance and with lot of work schedule. 9 days video post பண்ணி complete பண்ணிட்டோம், and yes, many said it was very useful. Thank you so much for that. And today we have a lot of youngsters who are going to share what is human rights according to their view in a very short time.
Hello fellow civilians. So I'm a social work trainee, and human rights to me are rights entitled to anyone just because they're humans, from the womb till the tomb.
All human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
When I go on field, every day we come across atrocities, inequalities, discrimination, and most of the time people don't realize that they are victims of such discrimination, and this is because they are unaware of the rights that they are entitled to.
Hello, happy Human Rights Day. Our constitution provides us various rights. We should abide those rights in our daily life. Human rights, according to me, is to live a equal, dignified, respectful life in a society.
We know that today is Human Rights Day. I feel that the most important of human rights is the right to education. Right to education is nothing but providing free and compulsory education at primary level, providing access to education at secondary level, providing access to education at higher level. Though we know all these rights, there are still so many dropouts at school each and every year. There are so many people who discontinue. We really have to motivate such kind of people, because I believe it's only through education we are able to change the attitude of the people, the behavior of the people. We are able to provide so many skills so that they can lead their basic life. We can reduce the gender inequality. The main problem is poverty. Through education we can reduce the poverty level.
Hello, as we know that we are celebrating Human Rights Day today. To me, human rights means the freedom of speech and freedom of religion and freedom to convey your idea. And I should say that we should be very proud that we are living in a country that values human rights more. But then at the current scenario, it's a very big question mark that actually how the freedom of human rights in this country right now.
Democracy. It is a government that is of the people, by the people and for the people. The job of every citizen is to open his mouth, and that's what democratic rights grants us. It grants us the liberties to speech and expression, equality and so on, as mentioned in Article 19 of our Indian Constitution. Therefore, it is our duty as citizens to cherish these rights and make the society a better place.
International Human Rights Day. Human rights, it's our rights. Ask for our rights.
Hello everyone. Human rights are the basic rights provided to all the individuals, all the human beings. Human rights are an important means of protection from discrimination, inequality and abuse. Everyone's equal. All the genders are equal in human rights, the women, men and transgenders. So let us abide by it, let us follow it, because
children are a gift from God, and even these little children have many rights. So some of the rights that every child can possess is right for education, right against harassments, right against trafficking, right not to be neglected, right to be protected, various rights. But it is our duty to make sure that these rights are given to our children. Children are a blessing from God.
Human rights is a God-given rights that should be protected and respected by the government. So rights is basically the reflection of the right to survival first of all, and right to freedom to inquire and seek the truth in all matters, and to speak up the truth that you have understood, and to have healthy debates in the society to resolve the differences in the understanding of the truth in all matters, and to enjoy the human dignity, to enjoy life, and to do things in a way that does not deprive from others' rights. And finally, in rare or extreme cases, to go against a person or a group or government when necessary. And finally, democracy is by the people, for the people and of the people.
Human rights are the basic rights and freedom that each person in this world can or will have it from the time of his birth until his death. The main intention of this to stop the abuse of the people by the person who are more powerful than them, and also to break the stereotypes of the society regarding caste, color, creed, etc. Every year, Human Rights Week is celebrated all over the world to create awareness amongst the people to know their individual rights and also to live a discrimination-free society and also to help them in their day-to-day life.
Human right is an equal right which gives freedom to every individual regardless of caste, color, religion, location, age, status, etc. Educational rights, child rights, women's rights, Dalits rights, right to transgender, right to food and health, right to information are some of the basic rights which people need to be aware of. So treat everyone equally.
Human rights based on dignity, equality, and mutual respect, where they faced a huge challenges to pursue their own activities. Your rights are about being treated fairly and treating others fairly and having the ability to make choices about your own life. Human rights can be violated, although they are inalienable, they are not invulnerable. Violations can stop people from enjoying their rights, but they do not stop their rights from existing. Human rights are essential for justice, peace, and freedom.
For a positive change, there is a need of empowerment and enlightenment, and that can happen only if we, all of us, hold a personal responsibility towards creating awareness on human rights among ourselves and especially the society beyond. And that is why together we can create a better society.
Together, let's create a better society.
Together we create a better society.
Together we create a better society.
We can create a better society.
Together we'll create a better society. Keep smiling. Thank you so much.